Tired of wrestling with real financial data while building your app? Let's unlock the secrets of Plaid Sandbox and build like a pro, risk-free. First, you'll need a Plaid developer account. If you don't already have one, head over to PlaidCon and sign up. It's free to get started in the Sandbox environment. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard and then to the API keys section. Here, you can create or view your Sandbox API keys. These keys are essential for authenticating your requests to the Plaid API in the Sandbox environment. Next, it's time to play with Link, Plaid's front-end module. Use your Sandbox API keys to initialize Link in your application. This will allow you to simulate connecting to various financial institutions without using real credentials. The Sandbox offers a variety of test accounts with preset data, perfect for experimenting with different scenarios. Inside the Sandbox dashboard, you can access the test credentials page. Here, you'll find a list of institutions and associated usernames and passwords for testing. Use these credentials within the link flow to successfully connect to test account. Now for the fun part. Once you've linked a test account, you can explore the wealth of simulated data available. Check out transaction histories, account balances, and even simulate errors to see how your application handles different situations. The Sandbox allows you to modify this data, giving you full control over your testing environment. Finally, use the Sandbox to test your API calls. Retrieve data using the item ID associated with your test account. Verify that your application correctly parses and displays the information. Remember, all data within the Sandbox is synthetic, so experiment freely without worrying about real-world consequences. And that's it. You're now equipped to harness the power of Plaid Sandbox. Build smarter, test thoroughly, and launch your application with confidence.